Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by verifying whether the Apple Watch shows an activation lock screen. Look for the request to enter an Apple ID and password on the watch. If you see that screen, do not attempt unauthorized hacks or third-party tools. Instead, gather the original Apple ID email address and password. Also locate the watch serial number on the case or original packaging. Finally, find proof of purchase showing the device purchase date and seller information. If you have the paired iPhone, open the watch app and choose to unpair the device. Unpairing will erase the watch and remove activation lock when your Apple ID credentials are present. If you cannot access the paired iPhone, sign into iCloud. Com with the original Apple ID. Go to Find My, select all devices, choose the watch, and remove it from the account. Erase the watch only when you legitimately control the linked Apple ID or have owner permission. If you cannot remove activation lock through account access, contact Apple support directly for help. Explain the situation and provide the watch serial number and a clear proof of purchase. Proof should include the date of purchase, purchaser name, and seller information to confirm ownership. Apple will verify the documentation and may remove activation lock if ownership is confirmed. Expect processing time and follow instructions from Apple support, who will guide you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.